Don't push the button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, Ro. Maybe you should give the button one little push. One little. Oh, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Oh, no, there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the ball to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost a little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this video. Bye!